Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, lived a boy named Arjun. Arjun was well known among the villagers, not for his achievements, but for his laziness and constant habit of putting things off, no matter how much his family and friends advised him to respect time. He never truly grasped its value. One warm afternoon, news spread that a wise elder named Master Dev had arrived in the village. Master Dev was famous for his deep wisdom and his ability to guide people toward better lives. Curious, Arjun decided to seek him out. He found Master Dev resting beneath the shade of a grand banyan tree. Bowing politely, Arjun said, "Sir, I've been told you possess great wisdom. Could you guide me on how to live my life to its fullest potential?" Master Dev studied the young man for a moment, then smiled knowingly. He reached into his bag and pulled out a small hourglass, placing it in Arjun's hands. "This," he said, "is the symbol of your life. Each grain of sand represents a moment you will never get back once it has passed." As Arjun turned the hourglass over in his palms, feeling its weight, Master Dev continued, "Imagine that every grain slipping away is a wasted opportunity. Time is a gift, my boy, it waits for no one. If you let it slip by in idleness, you will wake one day filled with regret." The words struck Arjun deeply. "Then tell me, Master Dev, how can I change? How can I make every moment count?" With a gentle smile, Master Dev replied, "Begin with small, steady steps. Set clear goals and arrange your tasks in order of importance. Break them into smaller parts and focus on finishing one before moving to the next. Guard your time from distractions, for those who respect time are the ones it rewards." Arjun took this advice to heart. He reorganized his days, assigned specific hours to his work, and removed anything that pulled his focus away. As days turned to weeks and weeks into months, Arjun began to see a remarkable change. The long-delayed tasks were finally completed. He began pursuing his passions and even uncovered hidden skills he never knew he had. The villagers were astonished by the transformation. But in the midst of his achievements, Arjun discovered an even greater truth, that time's real treasure was not just in productivity, but in love, friendship, and shared moments. He began spending quality time with his family, cherishing simple laughter with friends, and holding on to every precious memory. Years passed, and Arjun grew old. His village honored him not only for his accomplishments, but for the wisdom with which he had lived. Sharing his journey with the younger generation, he told them, "Every second is a gift. Treasure it, and it will shape the life you dream of." Arjun's story traveled far and wide, inspiring countless people to rethink how they used their time. The village thrived, guided by Master Dev's wisdom and the living example of Arjun's transformed life. Reminder that those who value time hold the key to their destiny.